Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Let's divide 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 17x minus 2 and 3x minus 1 using synthetic division. So, in dividing polynomials using synthetic division, our first step is for us to equate our divisor, which is in this case, it's 3x minus 1 to 0 and then solve for the value of x. So let's transfer negative 1 to the other side of the equation, giving us 3x is equal to positive 1. Then let's divide both sides by 3. So divide both sides by 3, cancel, x is equal to 1/3, and 1/3 will serve as our divisor for this synthetic division. So we will have 1/3. So next, let's proceed to our dividend. So our dividend will be the coefficient of our polynomial 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 17x minus 2. So we just copy the coefficient 3, negative 7, positive 17, and negative 2. Okay, then let's start our synthetic division. So let's bring down positive 3, our leading term, 3, and we will multiply 3 to our divisor. So 3 times 1/3. So 3 times 1/3, cancel, we will have 1. So that is equal to positive 1. Then let's add negative 7 and 1. Negative 7 plus 1, that is negative 6. Okay, so let's repeat. Negative 6 times 1/3. So we have negative 6 times 1/3. So let's cancel negative 6 and 3. So negative 6 will be negative 2. 3 will become 1. So negative 2 times 1, that is negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. So let's place it here, negative 2. Then let's add 17 and negative 2. So 17 plus negative 2, that will give us positive 15. Let's repeat the same process. 15 times our divisor. So 15 times 1/3. So let's cancel 15 and 3. 15 will be 5. 3 will be 1. And 5 times 1, that is equal to 5 divided by 1 is 5. So we have 5 here. Okay, then let's add negative 2 and positive 5. So negative 2 plus 5, that is positive 3. Okay, so we're done with our synthetic division. Let's proceed to the variable of our leading term. Since we divided x raised to 3 and x, so let's divide them. X raised to 3 divided by x, their quotient is equal to x squared. So our leading term will start with x squared, followed by x, followed by a constant, and then our last term will be our remainder. So we have 3x squared minus 6x plus 15. Okay, then we will add the remainder later. But we're not yet done. Okay? For our polynomial 3x squared minus 6x plus 15, we have to divide each term by the denominator of our divisor. So we have to divide each term by 3. So divide each term by 3. So we will have x squared minus 2x plus 5. Yan. Then let's add our remainder. Take note that we will not include our remainder in dividing each term by 3. Okay? So let's add our remainder. Let's add our remainder 3. And so its denominator will be our divisor, 3x minus 1. And that is our final answer. So x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus 3 over 3x minus 1. And that's our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.